Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have the required permissions and a payment method, otherwise you can't complete provisioning. Once signed into Portal, Azure.com, navigate directly to the Subscriptions blade from the left menu. Make sure to use an account with owner or billing admin privileges so the Create button appears. Next, click Create Subscription to start the wizard. This launches the steps to choose billing scope, offer, and enrollment. Keep billing details ready to avoid interruption. Once the wizard opens, pick the correct billing scope, your billing account, invoice section, or your CSB, because charges flow to that scope. Then select the subscription offer that matches your plan, like pay-as-you-go or enterprise agreement. This affects rates and limits. Next, name the subscription clearly, choose the tenant directory, and set default resource group location. Make sure quotas fit expected usage. Then review pricing and estimated monthly costs before proceeding to create. Finally, review the summary, accept terms, and click Create to provision the subscription. Provisioning typically completes within minutes. Once done, monitor portal notifications and the subscriptions list for the new entry, and check initial billing and quota assignments. If provisioning fails, make sure your account has owner/billing admin role and your payment method is valid. Retry after fixing issues. If problems persist, gather error messages and contact Azure support with subscription and billing details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.